So what age is best? So we start to think about those office-based treatments in the 40 and up range. Some patients do start younger, but that's when we start to think about these office offerings, as well as the eyelids are often done in this age group because some people just genetically have kind of fuller eyelids, both upper and lower. So we do that pretty early. The deep neck lift, which we'll talk about later, is a bit of a newer procedure and it's really gained some traction recently. But that is done in younger patients with kind of a heavy neck. And we'll do some facial fat grafting as well. Once we get into that 50 and up range, we'll do these things over on the left, but we also start adding in the facelifts. We add in some neck lifts or even a cheek or a lip lift. And then once we're talking about patients who are 60 and up, we're really talking about the deep plane facelift as kind of the workhorse of what's going to give you the results that patients tend to look for. And these arrows on the top and bottom are really just to indicate that these are not hard and fast rules. I mean, some patients jump straight to a deep plane facelift because they have a heavy face, heavy mid face that needs rejuvenation. Some 60 and up patients can really get by with a mini facelift and some other adjunctive procedures. Now, this study down here is just worth mentioning. It was a bit of a surprising study to the entire facial plastic surgery community, and that's because this study attempted to answer the question, when is the right time to perform a facelift and how long do they last? And we all across the nation and world kind of expected that patients who were on the older range of the spectrum would do better with facelifting, but they found that actually some of the happiest patients were in this 40 and 50 and up group. And they found that the longevity of the results was actually improved in those patients. So that was a bit of a surprise for us, but it kind of demonstrated the best time to get evaluated is early on in the facial aging process.